We was established in 2004 with 16 years exporting experience. We have various kinds of products such as cold and warm mattresses, accessories for joints and important parts of the body, and pet pads. Our customers are from different countries for the world, such as North America, Europe, South America, the Middle East, East Asia, and Africa. We have professional inspectors team who making quality control on production and final inspection before shipment. The quality control standards are based on CE and ETL certifications. We have own design team who keep developing new and innovative product designs catching for international market demands. We will offer our best efforts to serve you and provide you the best quality products with the best design package. Your trust and satisfaction are the biggest rewards to us. You are very welcome to contact us at any time. We welcome your OEM or ODM orders. We always adhere to the principle of people-oriented, scientific management, quality first, service supreme, and strive to bring high-quality products and services to customers. At the same time, to give staff spacious and comfortable working environment, humane care and dynamic competition mechanism. All our efforts are aimed at producing better products and providing the best service to our customers. Welcome your consultation and negotiation.